Hey guys, welcome back to the series of shell scripting for the beginners. Till now we have seen introduction to this shell scripting, what is the variables and how we can put the comments into the script. We have seen our first script and we have seen some string chopping operations also. Now we will start a new topic which is called operators, and in this lecture we will cover some relational operators. And before going to start the relational operators, first we will try to understand the syntax for the if statement, by which we will try to understand the relational operators. So first, let's see what is the syntax for the if condition. So the syntax is if square bracket. In some programming languages there will be normal brackets, but in shell scripting there will be square brackets, and your condition, the condition which you want to check, and then statement, and after then statement our if block will be started with the sequence of commands commands. So n number of commands will be there, and after commands there will be a terminating statement, that is fi, that will indicate that if block is ended here. So if condition in the square brackets, then statement, if this condition is true, then only the code inside this then and fi will be executed, and this fi will be used to indicate that if block is ended here. So let's see now what are the relational operators are there. So most of you know that we have the relational operators like equal to, not equal to, greater than equal to, less than, and less than equal to. And the symbols for these operators are greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. So these are the symbols which we use in the programming languages, but in shell scripting we have operators in the different manner. So this hyphen eq is equivalent to equal to, hyphen ne is equivalent to not equal to, hyphen gt equivalent to greater than, hyphen ge equivalent to greater than equal to, hyphen lt it is equivalent to less than, and hyphen le is equivalent to less than equal to. So these are the operators we are going to study in this lecture. So let's see how we can use these operators to check the conditions. So we will write a code where we will take age as the input from the user, and we will categorize the person based on that particular age. If the age is less than 5 years, that individual will be child. If that age is greater than 18, that individual will be considered as adult. So let's see. So we know the syntax if square bracket, don't forget to give the space in the square bracket, and now let's put the condition hyphen gt. So this is the condition greater than, but before applying this condition we will read the data from the user. So enter age, use read command to store the age value, and after that here use dollar age. This dollar age will be the value that is entered by the user. If age greater than 5, then statement. So you need to give space here also, and then what we want to print, it's a child. Sorry, if age is less than, so we need to check the condition less than. If age is less than 5, it's a child, and end of the if block. Okay, so let's save this code and try to run. So I will use this file name, and enter. It will ask to enter the age. Let's say I will enter 4, it's a child. Again run, and I will enter 8, and it will print nothing as we have not written the code for the else statement. So if enter age is less than 5, then only this echo statement is executed. Okay, similarly, what if we use 5 as the age? So still it's not printing that it's a child. So here we need to change the condition. Here we have used less than 5, that's why this condition is becoming false. So instead of lt, we will use le, that is less than equal to. So whenever we enter the 5 also, it will indicate it as a child. 5, it's a child. So this is how we can compare using less than and less than equal to. So we have seen two relational operators. Let's see third operator, that is equal to, and the operator is -eq. If age equals to 5, we will print another string. Let's say how are you. If the given input is 5, then only this print will be printed, otherwise nothing will be printed. So let's check. For 4, it's not printing anything, and if you enter 5, it's printing how are you. So this is the third operator, that is equal to. Now let's see not equal to operator, and that operator is ne, -ne. Here, if the entered input is not equal to 5, then only the given string will be printed, otherwise it will not be printed. Let's check. Something is wrong with my terminal. Let me open another terminal. Let's close this terminal, and here we will again run that script /relational.sh. So now if the entered input is not equal to 5, then only that print will be printed. Means other than 5, whatever the input you give, that print will be printed. Let's say 4 and you will get the print how are you, and if you enter the 5 it will not be printed here. So this was the fourth operator, that is not equal to. Now rest two operators we will see, that is greater than and greater than equal to. So let's say if given age is greater than 18, we will print it's an adult. So gt age hyphen gt 18 means age greater than 18, then it's an adult. If value age value is 18, still it will not print as adult, but from 19 it will print value it's an adult. So let's see, 4 it's not printing, 7 it's not printing, 9 it's not printing, now 18 still it's not printing, but the value greater than 18, let's say 19, and it will print it's an adult. So value greater than, this is the by mistake, ignore this, 45 it's an adult. So it's comparing the value only if it's greater than 18, then only it's printing it's an adult. But suppose you want to print even if the given value is 18, then we have to use another operator, that is greater than equal to, and the operator is greater than equal to for hyphen ge. So instead of hyphen gt we will use hyphen ge, and for the 18 value also it will print it's an adult. Let's see, it's an adult. So these are the 6 relational operators we have seen in this lecture. Hyphen eq for equal to, hyphen ne for not equal to, hyphen gt for greater than, hyphen ge for greater than equal to, hyphen lt for less than, and hyphen le for less than equal to. In next lecture we will cover some string comparison operations using if statement. Thank you.